Let's talk about saving our Magenta teacher community to our device. So I'm on an iPhone right now, but one of the things that's different about this community hosted by Times 10 Publications at 10publications.com, which you can see here, is that it's a little like Facebook, but we have Facebook apps and Facebook is so easily accessible. We want to make this accessible by adding it to our home screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the little button here and I'm going to scroll down and I'm just going to click add to home screen. Now you can change this here, up here if you want to. You could just call it maybe MTC, Magenta Teacher Community. I'll do that and I'm going to click add to home screen. Now I had already done this once, but you can see that it's here. Click on it, open it up. As long as you're signed in and you click the little toggle the box that says stay signed in, it'll be that easy. Then you can go to topics, check out everything here, enjoy this group.